In this video, I'm going to talk about how to do mindfulness meditation. While there are many ways to conduct mindfulness meditation, this method is sure to make it easy and memorable so that you can practice at any time. You can do this sitting, standing, walking, laying down, or while doing a favorite activity. Preferably, you're in an area without distractions. However, you can meditate anywhere as needed. To start with, relax your body. Do your best to remain comfortable and practice good posture without tensing your muscles. Set your gaze a few feet in front of you, or close your eyes if you prefer. Focus on your natural breath. As you breathe in, if you are relaxed, your abdominal core will expand rather than your shoulders rising. Find a steady, rhythmic pace for the meditation. As you focus on the breathing cycle, we will go through the 4 steps for mindfulness meditation that you can remember with the acronym ODEA. Observe, describe, experience, and accept. First, observe your surroundings, your thoughts, your emotions, the sensations of your body in this moment. Next, silently describe what you see, what you hear, and what you feel in the simplest terms. In a few simple words, what are your thoughts in this moment? What emotions are present? Now experience what you have observed and described. Allow your senses to take in the flood of experience that is being alive in the present moment. Experience every part of your thoughts and emotions as you breathe in. As you exhale, allow these experiences to pass by, like a passing cloud, temporary moment in time. Finally, accept your experiences without dwelling on them, without trying to explain why or how. Just know that it is, and that just being in the moment is enough. Focus on the breath. This is where you are. This is who you are. There does not need to be anything beyond your mindful presence. Bring yourself back to the breath. Immerse yourself in the present moment. Avoid dwelling in the past or worrying about the future. Be non-judgmental of any thoughts that arise. Simply acknowledge them and return to the present moment. Inhale, exhale. Gently end your meditation when you are ready.